This is a paid advertisement.
Welcome back to the Noon Show on WBAY TV2, and welcome to Ask the Expert. We're joined today by Dr. Kemmerling of Green Bay Vein Center on Cormier Road in Green Bay, the only clinic in the area dedicated to the comprehensive treatment of vein disease. Doctor, what is vein disease? That's probably the best place to start.
Vein disease is a condition where the veins aren't working properly. They have little valves inside, and these valves are meant to allow the blood to go up but not come back down due to the effects of gravity. If the valves are not working, that generates increased pressure in the veins of the legs, and that leads to bulging of the veins, leg swelling, and even skin changes. And a person may feel that their leg gets tired easily, might feel heavier, and they might notice throbbing and aching where the bulging veins are. Now, this is actually a serious condition because the person may not be able to enjoy their life the way they would like to. It may even affect their ability to do things that they want to do.
So for an individual suffering from some of these symptoms, what options are available? What can be done?
Well, at Green Bay Vein Clinic, we're dedicated to the treatment of these types of conditions. And we've treated hundreds of wonderful people, and we have multiple treatment options, so we can actually tailor a treatment plan to that person's particular condition. The treatments are right in the office, so it's convenient and it's much less expensive than going to the hospital.
I think we've all heard of vein stripping, and it sounds horrific. At least that's the perception of it. Is it difficult to do? What are the new techniques that are available now?
Well, fortunately, we do have a newer technique that's basically replaced the old vein stripping. It's called ablation. And ablation involves using a little catheter inside the vein that closes that vein down so the person feels better. This can be done under local anesthesia, a little sedation if the person desires, but it's very convenient because it can be done in the office. They can drive to and from the appointment, and they can get back to normal activity much, much quicker.
I heard you saying earlier it is spider vein season. What does that mean for you?
Well, we treat spider veins, and spider veins are those tiny little veins that people don't like just because of the way they look. Those can be treated. We have multiple ways of treating those, and that's also something we offer.
If I were a patient, what can I expect when I contact you?
Well, it's very easy. Just come on in for a free screening. This is a no obligation time when I meet with the person and we determine, can I help? And if I can, I will describe the treatments that we have, and we'd set up a time for a consult. At the consult, we would go over all the vein anatomy. We would basically use our sound wave machine, and we'd look at the veins, make sure we understand what's going on. I would give the person a written recommendation for their treatment. We'd go over the insurance part of it, explaining what the potential costs are and so on. And then we'd get the ball rolling.
Getting a hold of Dr. Kemmerling is as easy as looking at your screen right now, and always at WBAY.com by clicking on Ask the Expert.
The preceding was a paid advertisement.